Welcome friends, this is Samim Education Support. Today we learning and practicing about alphabet letter full form with examples. So let's start. A for apple. Apple is a type of fruit. I love to eat a juicy apple. B for ball. Ball is a round. We play with the ball. C for cat. Cat is my favorite animal. I play with my cute cat. D for dog. Dog is a friendly pet animal. Our dog loves to go for walks. E for elephant. Elephant is a large animal with a long trunk. I saw an elephant at the zoo. F for fish. Fish lives in water. I go to fishing and catch big fish. I like to eat fish. G for girl. Girl is a female child. My little sister is a girl. H for hen. Hen gives eggs. I have many hens, they gives to many eggs every day. I for ice cream. I like ice cream. My dad always brings ice cream for me. J for jug. This is used in storage water and milk. My mom always brings milk in jug for me. K for kite. Kite is a flying toy. I fly a kite with my friends in the park. L for lion. Lion is a king animal known as the king of the jungle. The lion roared loudly. M for monkey. Monkey eats many bananas. The monkey swung from tree to tree. N for nest. Nest is a bird's home. I found a bird's nest in the tree. O for octopus. Octopus is a sea creature with 8 arms. The octopus changed colors. P for penguin. Penguin is a bird that cannot fly and lives in cold regions. Penguins waddle on ice. Q for queen. Queen is a female ruler of a kingdom. The queen wore a beautiful crown. R for rainbow. Rainbow is a colorful arch in the sky. After the rain, we saw a beautiful rainbow. S for Sunday. Sun is the bright star that gives us light and warmth. The sun shines in the daytime. T for tiger. Tiger is a dangerous wild animal. U for umbrella. Umbrella is used to protect from rain and sunlight. V for violin. Violin is a musical instrument. She played the violin beautifully. W for whale. Whale is a large fish animal in the world. X for X-ray. Doctor check X-ray of body. Y for yak. Yak is a large, shaggy-haired and found in mountainous regions. Z for zebra. Zebra is black and white color animals. I see zebra in zoo. Thanks for watching my channel and supports me. Have a nice day.